What up, y'all? Welcome back to the 50 state series where I'm going to each state to try their most iconic food. And today we are going to the state of Iowa. But first, last episode I had cheese curds in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin at Culver's. Super simple, super great, super snackable item, and that checks all my boxes. I love fried things, I love cheese, I love a little greasy cheese curd, and Culver's was the perfect spot for it. With that being said, we gotta rank it, and we have a pretty big list so far. Take a look, let me know where you would put cheese curds or where you think you'd put them, and I'll tell you where I got them right now. I put cheese curds from Wisconsin at number 16 on our list. It's simple, there's not much to say about it. It's a cheese curd, but they're delicious. It's from Wisconsin, Wisconsin cheese, Culver's, all the boxes checked. But now we gotta head to Iowa. Luckily, when I was eating at Culver's, there's a supercharger in the parking lot, so we have 89% battery. We can get to Iowa and then some without having to stop to charge. But we're gonna stop one time because after Iowa, we gotta stay somewhere for the night. And I wanna have enough battery to be able to get there and sleep there and head out in the morning. So our next supercharger stop will be in La Crosse, Wisconsin. We'll get there with plenty of battery. So let's go ahead. This tattoo's burning a little bit, not gonna lie. Let's go ahead and hit the road. But first, I wanted to make one quick stop here in Wisconsin Dells. So this is where we stayed for my bachelor party. It's really cool. There's a bunch of rooms in there. The garage is like a little mini arcade and obviously the basketball court. This is good times here. Good times with some of my closest friends. Don't want to get too close. Someone may be staying there. I'm not sure. Don't want to intrude. Broke Jeremy's ankles. Held Barrios to 0 points on that court. Good times. And I mean literally broke Jeremy's ankles. He was out for a few weeks. But just want to get that on camera. All right, let's go. Made it to La Crosse, Wisconsin with 54%. Pretty efficient driving. Let's go ahead, plug in and let the boys out. Empty supercharger, one of the slower ones. You can tell it's an old one with the silver ring. That's how you know. Good morning, boys. You're getting better at being patient, Brody. You're getting better at being patient. I am still sitting on that butter burger from earlier. Oh, that sun is freaking bright. Forgot the sunglasses. But yeah, we can use some steps. Man, after Illinois, part of me feels like this trip is done, but we have a long way to go. We started off with big states, not a lot of food stops and a lot of driving. And then we made our way to the East Coast and it was the opposite. Shorter drives, more stops for food, more filming. And now this final stretch is just like a lot of driving, not a lot of food stops. Big states. Every time I dig in that bag for a new state, I have to dig past Montana, and it's a big freaking block. It's a big state. It's gonna be a long drive, and I don't know if I'm mentally ready for the next few days, but that's what I'm thinking about. And my tattoo, that's kind of crazy. I can't wait to be like, gotcha, and then gotcha again. The only issue is like my thigh is so white, it might blind people. They can't even see the tattoo. But I think these boys won't mind the long drives. They've been so tired and they can definitely use some extra sleep. So I think they'll appreciate that. Right at where you at. You ready? Whoa. All right, you want a surprise pop up one time on this trip and jump in here? I know you can. I've seen you jump. Come on, right here. Hey, I'm talking to you. Hey. All right, come on. Oh, my sleepy boy. So I met this nice family here who hit, what'd you guys hit?
What is it called?
A pronghorn.
A
pronghorn.
It looks like an elk buck.
See?
All you need is duct tape?
All you need is duct tape, WD-40.
And a pair of scissors.
Yeah, and a pair of scissors.
You had to cut the plastic.
Had a cut underneath here. Here's most of the pieces of plastic.
Yeah.
See, this is the shield. The windshield here. Everything's working. All the cameras are working. Self-driving's working.
Still working.
Yep. The blinker works. The lights work.
Alrighty, y'all. Talk to that nice family for a little bit. We have 90% battery, which is a ton. We'll get to where we're going to eat in about an hour, and we'll get there at 70%. So we have a ton of battery for the night and the next day now, which is great. So let's go ahead and finally hit the road. Actually, just kidding. Gotta stop at Walmart. Luckily, it's like right here to get soap for my tattoo. Kind of forgot about that for a second, but that's important. We gotta make sure it heals, it's clean. So to get some soap and then to go to Iowa. We are here in Decorah, Iowa. This is officially the smallest town I've been in this series to stop and do something. And also, the hair is getting a little less puffy and the back's getting long. I'm gonna let it grow. I'm gonna let it grow. We'll see what happens, but we're here in Iowa. Guys, this place, it's right over here. I don't want to show you yet, just like bugs a little bit, but it smells really good out. I can smell the food from here. I thought it would smell like farm and like poop, like cow poop and stuff. It smells like fried food. It smells really good out here. But Iowa nonetheless. So Iowa is officially on our board, and holy cow, we don't have a lot of states left, but we have a lot of land left. Not mentally ready for all this driving, but we're in Iowa and we're gonna eat and we're here and I'm excited. So let me turn the camera this way so you guys can see where we're at. We're in Decorah, Iowa, at a place called Barney's Bar and Grill, very local spot in Iowa. We're here for corn. Barney's is one of those classic small town local bars where friends, families, and farmers come for a meal after a long day. Now this might be another Vermont situation where I go in there and everyone knows one another except me and I'm just like, what up y'all? I don't know. It's a little early for sweet corn season, but I'm giving Iowa a great chance because they have fried corn here, like little corn balls, I forget what they call them, but corn nuggets, that's what they are, corn nuggets, fried corn, the American way. I've never had corn nuggets before, but I'm very excited to try them. If you take something and fry it, you've got my attention. So with all that being said, let's go inside and see what it's like.
I'm almost embarrassed to ask, but can I take a picture of you?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay.
I'll go in with you guys too when I'm done. So,
Okay.
Yeah, that'd be great.
My kids are like big Ryan Trahan fans.
So I'm doing this road trip because
Yes.
I watched him do it last year and I love watching him. He's one of my favorites.
Yes, he's super good guy, right? And
Super
so
nice guy.
to see you here with your setup and stuff, I'm like, yeah, that's cool.
I do like a lot of Tesla stuff. That's how I started.
Okay,
And then
so your Tesla.
Then I started doing like some road trips and camping, and that's kind of picked out. So I'm doing like this giant road trip
Okay.
now. I always wanted to do like this 50 state thing, and
Yeah.
then I saw Ryan do it, and I'm
Yes.
like, that's the perfect format.
He's such a good guy.
He's fun.
Like, just
He's
a
fun to
good
watch.
Guy.
He's fun to watch
Yes.
too. This like super nice people. Anyway, the corn nuggets are here. They look like cheese curds. It's like just maybe throw some corn in a cheese curd. Is that what's happening here? I like cheese curds. This is gonna be good. And I picked a great place. I mean, talk about local spots. Decorah, Iowa. She said there's 150 people who live in this town. This is as local as it gets. Very nice people too. I'm happy. I'm excited. Not really hungry, but I did get a grilled chicken sandwich. Just this is my dinner, so I don't want to just have fried nuggets. But corn nuggets, Iowa. Cheers. Exactly. Oh, are they? These are pretty sweet. I don't know if they're sweet corn, but it's pretty sweet. It's like a cheese curd with corn in it, but like it tastes like sweet corn. I would get these. I would order like on the list of sides. Now that I know what these are, I would prefer these over a lot of other sides. I'm very pleasantly surprised. I'm gonna look really dumb if they're not sweet corn, but there's a sweetness to them. If this isn't sweet corn, I'm very curious to see how sweet corn really is. Now I got two sauces here. This looks like ranch. I don't know what this is, but ranch can't go wrong. Anything is better fried. Anything is better with ranch. I'll include some of that conversation I had with the lady when she came out. But she said her kids watch Ryan Trahan. I'm a big fan of Ryan Trahan. I had this idea for this big road trip planned for quite some time. It wasn't really a reality, you know, way back when. But he did a trip like this last year. Same idea, same kind of format, and I watched. And it was fun. It was super awesome to watch. So shout out Ryan Trahan. Shout out whoever watches Ryan Trahan. I thought I might be doing Iowa dirty by just going over the border, finding the first like real restaurant that had corn that I could find, but the opposite is true. This Barney's Bar and Grill, corn nuggets, great representation of Iowa. This is it. We're in farmland. Iowa's corn, corn's farmland. Corn nuggets, fry them up the American way. We're on an American road trip. Perfect. Props to me for picking this place too. Before we talk about it, let's get the boys out. And confirmed it was sweet corn. She let me know it's sweet corn. Stay, boys. I guess this is Burr Oak. A sign right there says Burr Oak. Burr Oak decor are like next to each other. Small town, but very friendly people. Hey, and Raider sniffing something. Perfect weather, beautiful sunset. I mean, it's like being in a place like this. It's like, what's stopping you from just selling everything and coming out here and just enjoying a simple life, you know? It's what it seems like out here. Like, look at this. Look how nice that shot, look how beautiful that shot is. Nice orange skies in the back, long road, nobody's around. The boys are enjoying walking on the street. I bet you it gets dark here at night. I bet you it gets real dark here at night, which is scary. I'm not scared of the dark. Maybe I am in like public open spaces like this, but generally I'm not scared of the dark. You know who would love this place? My dad. My dad would fit in so well in a place like this. But it's time to get back in the car, talk about the corn nuggets, and head to our place for the night. It's getting a little dark and we got a bit of a drive to go. All right, first of all, shout out Barney's. I did get a t-shirt, super nice people in there. Great food. The corn nuggets, they were sweet corn nuggets, you did tell me. I did make early sweet corn season apparently, and they were really sweet. They were really good, but we got the tough job to rank it, of course. I'll look at our list and think about it and let you guys know tomorrow. I gotta do it quickly, it's getting dark here. Don't want to drive in the dark. Anyways, thanks for watching us in Iowa. See you guys tomorrow.